Hi and welcome to Lesson 1 of Spin Wheel for WooCommerce. Overview of Spin Wheel for WooCommerce. In this video about the Spin Wheel for WooCommerce plugin, we will study the plugin's interface. The Spin Wheel is a powerful tool to boost customer engagement and drive sales on your WooCommerce store. Imagine customers spinning a wheel to win a discount, free shipping, or exclusive offers. This gamification increases excitement and encourages repeat purchases. Its key benefits include increased customer engagement, higher conversion rates, improved customer loyalty, and enhanced brand awareness. To access its dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now select the Spin Wheel tab. Its dashboard includes General, Design, Slices, Display, Coupons, Email Template, Triggers, Stats, and Preview. Now in General Settings, we have Enable Sound, Display for limited time. In Wheel Slider, we have Title, Disclaimer Text, Spin Button Text, Winning Title, Winning Text for Coupons, Winning Text for Links, Losing Title, Losing Text, and Done Button Text. In Clickable Button, we can enable a button. We can customize the clickable button text and clickable button icon. In My Account Coupon tab, we have Tab Label. In Privacy Policy, we can enable or disable a privacy policy. We can customize the privacy policy label and select its page. Now, scroll up and click on Designs. In Designs, we have Wheel Designs. You can change the background color, border color, heading color, text color, button background color, button text color, winning text color, and winning background color. Now, click on Slices. In Slices, we have Wheel Slices of the spinning wheel. We can add a slice to the spinning wheel or remove a selected slice. Now click on Display. In Display and on Events, we can set up triggers, such as after page sign up, after clicking the Add to Cart button and adding a trigger to the thank you page. In Wheel On Page, we can select all pages or a specific page. We can select a specific page for the On Wheel page. In Wheel On Post Type, we can activate the spin wheel on all posts, or we can choose a specific post. In Occurrence Delay, we can add a delay to show the pop-up again after a set number of days. In Snowfall, we can enable or disable snowfall. We can select the number of flakes and their falling speed. We can also hide snowflakes on mobile devices. Now scroll up and click on Coupons. In Coupon Settings for coupon duration, we can set the duration of coupon expiry. We can select the expiration in hours or days. We can also enable Auto Add Coupon to Cart and enable Cart Redirect. Now, click on Email Template. In Email Template Settings, we can enable or disable the email template. We can also customize email templates for win and lose. Now click on Triggers. In Triggers, we have enabled Desktop Exit Intent, Scroll Triggers for desktop, Scroll Triggers for mobile, Time Delay in seconds, Inactive Sensor in seconds, and Trigger by Class. Now, click on Stats. In Stats, we have Spin Data. You can apply filters, such as today, this week, this month, this year, and all data. We can see the total number of wins, total number of losses, and total number of plays. For Spin Data, we can see details such as username, type, winning prize, and date of the spin. Now, click on Preview. In Preview, you can see a preview of the spin wheel by clicking on the See Preview button, and that's it. In this video, we have studied the spin wheel for WooCommerce plugin, explored its interface, key features, and basic setup. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.